Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Lois's quilt, the Owl Quilt, and this was done via our live streams and usually the 2 to 3 hour one and also a 12-hour one. We worked on it, and it was a silent auction via our website, and she won it. So I'm so excited to finish up her. We talked about backing and batting and how to quilt it up and thread and so on and so forth. So these are, you know, choices we worked out together. Okay, so in this lovely fabric here, I've just done swirls. I just have, because, you know, owls are full of movement and air and flow and fly and all that sort of fun stuff. So it really seemed really quite easy and just flowed for just swirls to fill it in, because I just was gonna pick up the thread of the swirls, you know, as you're passing by or looking at it. So it's really hard to actually to see them, but they are there. Here we have, I did trapunto the eyebrows or eye feathers, whatever these beautiful things are called here, as well as the eyeball itself. So there's 2 layers in under the eye, and there's 1 layer underneath the eyebrows here. There's 2 under the beak, because I really wanted that to stand out just a little bit more than the eyebrows, you know what I mean? Just because it's kind of prominent there too, so you can see how it's nice and big and puffy there. All right, so we're just going to work our way from one side to the next. And what I did is, I don't have a washable thread when I went and did my trapunto, so I put it on the largest base stitch that I had on my machine and just used a neutral thread, and I went and stitched around. Clearly it's not a circle, but I just wanted to make sure I got it on there, and then I'll pick it out. I'll pick out all these little threads after I get it quilted down, and then there's no issue. So, you know, if you don't have the wash away thread, then, you know, just do a big base stitch. Okay, so let's we started up here, and then I was like, oh wait, you got to film this. So you know, pay attention here. So 12 stitches per inch. It's off the belts, and we're just gonna have some fun. Okay, so go from one point to the next. There's no rush or race going on. And there was a little one in here, so I just wanted to make sure I wasn't forgetting that one. Here. So then we cut 2 pleats. So some of the material is a little bit more scratchier than others. Okay. And just bounce around your diamonds so you get them all stitched down. Okay. Shell colored thread, because I think it matches a lot of tones on this quilt. Okay. But I think I'll do, when I go to stitch down the pupil and the iris, I think I'm going to use black. You won't even see that on the other side. I don't think so. Fill in where I can and hopefully not get too lost. Okay, so I could come and make my way back down here with just a couple of jump stitches, or I could just break threads. It doesn't really matter as long as I put some walking stitches in. Okay, so yeah, isn't that kind of nice? And just, you know, you're making your way from one spot to the next. So let's start back down here. Oops, there we go. Grab that. Boy, did we ever get a dump of snow on Monday. My goodness. We were like, what is going on here? He thought this was me. I hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. We had a good time here. Munched amazing lunch, and I helped with dinner, and well, he needs to make food, but he helped a little bit with that. And hot made breakfast, and we had really easy pierogies for lunch. So it was a good day. Missing my mom, but nothing can be done about it. I don't want to go too far down. I'm going to hit my bar. I just kind of want to work some sections at a time. And if you have to break threads, to break threads. It's not a big deal. That's about as far as I would go down. Oh, no, see, kind of back here. Alright. Got myself out of sync there by hitting the bar. Whoops. I shouldn't have taken that one. See how it happens. Alright, let's back up here and finish this section. That's just the stitch to hold that down, so I'm going to actually take that baby one out. Just kind of hold things in place as I was trying to move things around. And then we get the shift, because then this doesn't look right. Gotta get in the best you can. And I'm trying to make it look like, you know, that's two different colors there. I mean, you can do best. Get in there. Follow that out. It's going to be a little thick here because that's where those two little points meet of the batting from the beak and the eyebrow, or whatever that is. This one here. It's tricky to work your way around, but you can get there. Have to be a little creative. Finish that. And if you have to bounce back, try and get as close to your original stitches as possible. Look at that bead. Stands out so nice. And just to kind of work, you got to get in those little sections. It's going to be a little tricky. Don't do things. Trace back over and stitch it. Probably shouldn't have done that. I can go around the eye later. Go way up. Love the dark blue, how it stands out on this project. This is beautiful. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to putter and putter and putter from one side to the next. And I just my needle down so I don't lose my position there. And you're going to end up having this pop out in no time at all. You can already tell right now between the eyebrows and the eyes how big and vibrant it's going to be. And it's Lois said it's going to hang on her wall in her studio. And I can't wait to see it hung up there, that's for sure. I hope it doesn't look like it's watching all the time, though. Like somebody's watching me. Yeah, so I'm gonna have some fun finishing this up. I'm gonna put just enough stitches in the feather eyebrows here to keep it tacked down, but I don't want to lose the bulkness of the trapunto. So just enough to give it a little bit of movement, just kind of pretty much following the curve of the eyebrow feather itself, and go from there. And same with these little ones here, just do that little curve, maybe just 2 times, and that's it. I don't want to over quilt it. It just needs to get tacked down and look like it's got some depth and dimension to it. So thank you everybody for watching this beautiful project come together. It was a free pattern. We can put the link down below in the show more section. Whenever we do a video and we have any information to share with you guys, free pattern, links to websites, or tips and tricks or whatever, and in regards to other websites, we always put it in the show more. So always check that out, okay? And we try to give back the information is what we find the best we can to you. So thank you everybody for your time and watching and liking and subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you very soon. We're gonna do a weekend project, and then we've got the stream on Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern, where we're gonna continue to work on the Mountain Majesties, something. Anyways, it's a free pattern too. One of Bonnie Hunter's from 2004. So, and then we'll put that link down below too, just in case. Okay, take care everybody. Big hugs from us. We'll see you soon. Enjoy the day.